Going on, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to cut the green out in your green screen photo on Capcut. So what you're gonna go do is, if you don't already have Capcut on desktop, go to the website and then you can download it for desktop. If you are on browser, does not work for browser, I don't think. So you're just gonna click Capcut like you normally do. And then you're gonna let it load in. Click new project. It'll disappear, but it'll load a new tab so you can edit it. So when that tab loads, you're gonna click import. Get your screenshot or download, import it into the editing thing. When it loads, it'll have a white little box around it. You're gonna go to cutout, go to chroma key, click it, go to color picker, you click that, go to the green, click the green, go to strength, turn that all the way up. And then you're like, oh no, how do I add a background? Well, I got you. Go to library on media, and then let's say we want a galaxy wallpaper. Background. Galaxy. You're gonna look up galaxy. Everything will load. Let's pick a cool one. Let's do this one. It'll load. You click this little plus, and then you're gonna drag your screenshot, and then put it over it. So boom, that's how you remove the green on a green screen photo. Hope you have a nice day. Make sure to like and subscribe, and have a nice day. See y'all in the next one.